Grand River Dam Authority is a public power utility providing electricity to cities and industrial customers throughout Oklahoma. The main goal is to balance your generation, which is your supply, with your load, which is your demand. So during a weather event, reliability is your main goal. So these guys here would be monitoring the equipment that's out in the weather. So if there's really bad ice, it could possibly freeze up certain equipment that could potentially trip the generator offline, which would reduce the reliability of the grid. Google is GRDA's first demand response program. As data centers come online, having demand response at a data center does provide reliable and quick load reduction when the system is really stressed.
So what's actually happening inside a data center? Well, we're actually reducing the utilization of a subset of machines, which reduces the overall power consumption of that data center. So in the case of Winter Storm Fern, Grand River Dam Authority notified us for when it would be most helpful to reduce our data center's demand.
You're looking at weather forecasts several days in advance. Typically, your peak load is going to happen in the morning just because you have colder temperatures overnight. People are waking up, turning on the lights, which is increasing load. Kids are going to school.
We then notified our global workload scheduling infrastructure for when and where the demand response event was to take place. This triggered an algorithm which calculated hour-by-hour instructions for our data center in Pryor, Oklahoma, to limit shiftable workloads from running, and as a result, reduce the power demand of that data center.
With Google's demand flexibility, it does allow the generator to use less fuel, which is going to be more efficient, and allow it to back down, which does save money across GRDA utilities and industrial load customers.
Having a flexible data center in a community can be a really valuable resource to help grids balance supply and demand and serve all energy consumers reliably.